Hello there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Would you like a specialty cup of coffee? But maybe you feel like you just don't have the time. This is a fully automated coffee machine from MEROL, and let me tell you, it is so fast, you will never say you don't have time for a specialty cup of coffee. So this machine is literally push button easy. It is completely self-sustaining. It has a water tank. It has a storage place for your beans. You can customize it to anything you want, whether it's the temperature, the size of the coffee, or the strength of the grind. I love the fact that this machine does everything for me at the push of a button and gives me a cup of coffee that rivals even the most expensive coffee shop. I love making specialty iced coffees with this as my base coffee. Again, it is so easy to use. One of the things I really love about it is how small it is. It takes up a minimal amount of space. It does a cleaning cycle all on its own, so I really know I'm getting the freshest cup of coffee every single time. It has an easy to clean waste area for both the grinds and any residual liquids. Easy, easy, easy is the word I keep wanting to highlight for you because this coffee is incredible, but it does not take a lot to do it. You simply set this coffee machine the way you want, hit the button, and seconds later, you have the coffee of your dreams. So if you have minimal space, but you are a demanding palate when it comes to coffee, I know that you're going to be pleased with this machine from MEROL. It is literally fully automatic. It keeps your beans fresh. It lets you customize the coffee exactly the way you want it, and it's so easy to clean. You're going to love this machine. It's going to be something that you use every single day. I know I do, and that is my point of view.